Hello YouTubers. I was going to get you a good movie today. They said slight chance of rain. Well, we got 100% a slight chance here. It's crazy. So I guess this is just why I'm not making a good movie. Everything's getting, all my stuff here is getting wet. Oh my goodness. That's the thing I use to get the things up where I want them to shoot the targets down there. I gotta pull this stuff away. My goodness. I guess this will be a short. Everything's getting wet here. Oh Lordy, I'll put these over on the ice machine. It's getting wet up here already too. Those are my, I guess, eagle pads. I don't know what they call them. Oh man, it's getting nasty here. This is a bald eagle. Anyhow, I was gonna honestly try to get you guys a good movie. I was gonna go back and grease that drag chain on the sawmill, but can you see the rain coming out of the gutter down there? It's like we're getting this every day. I can't get nothing done. Just kind of pick this up so it doesn't get totally soaked. I was working on solar light. Man, I'm getting soaked here. Now it's getting windy. Anyway, it's going to be a short. Probably why I don't do a movie today. Look at the wind spinner out there. I don't know if there's probably water on my lens now. It's like yesterday it rained, the day before it rained. It seems to be raining just about every day. I don't know whether you can hear the wind or not. There's been some good storms coming through here lately. I'm going inside. This is it for this one because I got the rain coming in here. We'll see you. Over and out. Bye-bye.